Tutorial for students on how to navigate the Digital Marketing Analytics Simternship platform. Digital Marketing Analytics Simternship is a simulator that provides a hands-on experience to implement the theory of digital marketing and analytics in a business environment. In this simulation, students take on the role of a digital marketing analyst for a company named Buhai Supply Company, where the student is tasked with helping the company improve the performance of its digital marketing campaigns. With Digital Marketing Analytics Simternship, students can strategically prioritize digital marketing analytics projects, effectively allocate budgets to maximize profits, interpret metrics, impressions, and clicks, and how they are used to estimate the value of a campaign. Calculate and use KPIs, including ROI, and learn when to prioritize these metrics. Use digital tools and tactics to improve campaign performance. Conduct a /B testing to identify the best approach for retargeting. Use web analytics to optimize campaign performance. Open your browser and copy the address www.stuken.com, then click Login. Finally, enter your credentials to access the platform. To start the simulation, click the Digital Marketing Analytics Simternship button. Upon entering the simulator's homepage, you will find the navigation menu on the left-hand side. In the Overview section, you will see an introductory video to the Digital Marketing Analytics Simternship, where you can find more detailed instructions on how to navigate the simulator. The simulation is divided into rounds, each with a specific scenario or task that you must complete. In each round, you will see an introductory video from your hypothetical digital marketing director, who will provide an overview of what you will achieve in that round. In the Inbox tab, you will receive messages from the marketing director with information that you can use to make decisions in the different rounds. In the About Buhai section, you will find information about the company Buhai Supply Company, its history, and its core values. Click on the icon of each value to learn more about its organizational culture. In the Buhai Customer Profile section, you will get to know the customer profiles for whom Buhai creates its products and who are also most likely to purchase them. Pay close attention to this information and refer to it when completing campaigns in the future. Finally, in the Products Preview section, you will see an overview of the products the company manufactures, including their sales prices. Pay close attention to all this information and consult it when completing each of the rounds. To start working with the simulator, click on the Get Started Now option. Each round contains a menu of options for navigation. At the beginning of each round, you will find the Scenario section, which includes a video from Buhai's digital marketing director with important information about what you will do in that round. You will receive messages from the marketing director in the Inbox tab with information that you can use to make decisions in the different rounds. You will also need to assist your colleagues within the simulator by answering their questions about digital marketing analytics in the Notifications Hub section. These questions will be accompanied by options. Select the answer you believe is most appropriate for the question asked. It will not matter if you get it wrong. This will not affect your progress in the simulator. However, it can serve as a self-assessment on the topic at hand. In the bottom right corner, there is a Resources button. There, you will find additional information such as a guide on the 7 best practices for improving a /B testing and another guide on budget allocation. In the A/B test trial section, you can edit product information by selecting the features you would like to implement in the A/B tests to determine which marketing efforts work best for a particular audience, depending on the round's objective. You can run up to 20 A/B tests per round by clicking Run Trial. After running the tests, in the Your Final Selection tab, you must select the test you will publish on Buhai's website. Click Run Simulation. Once you click Run Simulation, the simulator will process the decisions made and a results page will appear. Starting from the second round, you'll be able to evaluate the resulting metrics from optimization, visits, unique visitors, and referral traffic. Also, for some rounds, you will have the opportunity to download a campaign data report, a document that shows the complete weekly data for your campaigns. Use this feedback to improve your decisions in the next round. In the Campaign Data tab, you will be able to evaluate the historical performance of all Buhai's digital marketing campaigns over the past year. You will be able to download an Excel file with this data, where the elements will change from round to round. Within each round, there will be different tabs with the assigned task, such as Create an Analytical Report, Overview, Create an Analytical Report, Click Data Display, and Create an Analytical Report, Cost per Click, CPC. In these sections, you will answer analysis questions to generate a report based on the campaign's historical data received and the digital marketing director's instructions. In budget allocation, you will allocate funds to your various campaigns. And in the Upgrade Performance tab, there is a table showing a description of options to upgrade your campaign, their cost, and how they are expected to improve the campaign's performance. You can choose up to 3 upgrades or none at all. Lastly, you can get an overview of your progress in the Results tab. After each round, your results will be updated in this section, which you can access at any time through the simulator. Here, you will also find indicators and metrics to help you measure your performance so that you can make decisions and improve your performance as you advance through the rounds. We encourage you to take some time to explore and enjoy the features of this simulator.